So I watched this show, the home edit, and it actually inspired me to edit some of my stuff and organize. So just came from Target, as you can see at the back, and I got some containers to use to organize my clutter, my stuff. And now I'm on my way to Daiso to get some more plastic containers because it's cheap there, and I like their the brand that they have. So later.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done?
Okay, so now I am at Daiso to get some more of the container. You can actually organize your stuff, do it for less. So I am at, there you go, it's Daiso right there. I'm gonna show you the project I started, which is organizing one of the cabinets here at my place. It's just too bad that I wasn't able to take a video before I took out everything inside. Not actually everything, but most of it. But I can still show you now what's left and what I've started. And I'm gonna also show you the things I bought at Target and Daiso and how much each cost. So actually you can really organize for less. So here we go. I have not taken out everything yet, but that's what I've already started to do. So those are the plastic containers I got from Daiso, and one of these cost $2, and this one also cost $2. So and the labels, I just use AVERY labels. You can buy that from Office Depot or any office supplies, and it doesn't cost a lot. Plus you just use Word file to type whatever it is you want to put on the label. So doesn't cost much too. So, and that I still need to fix. So for now, here is the things I took out from the cabinets, and this is what I got from Target, and this cost $3 each, and I think this one cost, I think it cost $2.99 for this. That's $2.99, and this is $3. And for this one, the one I just showed you, this at Daiso costs $2, and the big container $5 for this one here. Oh, that's kind of expensive. And I also got smaller ones, and this is what I'm gonna use for one of the cabinets in the kitchen where I store the tools and bulbs. So that's it for now. I have a big problem. I cannot find my tripod, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do to be able to take a video of what I am going to do with the organizing stuff. So so as you can see, I'm trying to figure this out without my tripod, but those are some of the containers that I'm going to use. And now I'm going to start first by give me 1 second. Start by putting the labels. So these are the labels that I printed, and as I told you, I use the AVERY labels where you can get in any office supplies or maybe even Amazon. So that's what first I'm gonna do is put the labels. So let's see. Let's start with the wipes. Okay, so I'm gonna put the label. Make sure that you put it in the center and level. Oh no, wait, it's a wrong label. Oh no. Put the wrong label. There, so it's labeled, so that's it, and let's put what's inside. So that's it. It's 4 wipes, so let's put the stuff inside. Okay, so I have 2 kinds of wipes. I have one with alcohol and one is a toilet wipes, baby wipes actually. So let's put this in. That fits. So there are 3 big wipes, and these are wipes, also hand disinfectant wipes for the hands, and these are the feminine wipes. So I empty that part, and look, I am not done yet, but that's what I just finished doing. Still, this part I have to put back and make it nice. So finally, it's done. See how it is. So did this cabinet in my kitchen. I still have to put labels on those, but yeah. More organizing to come. I am happy with what I did. I was able to declutter plus organize, edit some stuff. Oh, if you see, hold on a second. See that big black garbage bag? That's all trash. And I had so much trash that I've accumulated all these years. So now it's going bye-bye. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. I have more to organize. This is just 2 of the cabinets. I still have a lot, and I have a lot of things to throw away. So anyway, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, please leave your comments down below. And also, organize for less. Take care everyone, and God bless.